Hi, Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're going to give you a quick tour of our completed job. This was a whole house remodel. Everything is new. It's pretty much a brand new house, interior and exterior, new siding, new windows, completely painted, a lot of custom details. You can see the crown molding, baseboard, stack stone around the fireplace, beautiful bamboo flooring. We've got a brand new kitchen. This is a quartz countertop, and we brought the quartz countertop material as the backsplash all the way up behind the hood. Got a lot of nice custom details in here. We have a waterfall finish, which is the piece that comes all the way down the side. This is designed for stools. We're able to capture the back corner of that cabinet with some special access back there. You can see the nice kind of glass cabinetry we have here. These are all beautiful wood frame cabinets, self-closing drawers, nice soft close hinges, built-in cutting board, a lot of nice details. There's 59 recessed lights in this house and on all sorts of controls. Everything's on a dimmer. I have all the lights on now so you can see it for the video. Obviously nice pendants, matching dining fixture on the ceiling. Another nice touch over here is the piece here that was just kind of a dead piece of wall space with an ugly cabinet. We took it all out and we put in all the same kitchen finishes in here, made it kind of a quasi wet bar, built-in lights, see-through cabinets, so it really extends the size and feel of the kitchen. You can see one of the other things that we do is, even though this is a standard counter depth fridge, it's got a built-in look and feel because we put the siding and the panels on both sides of the fridge, so in fact it is built in. So a lot of nice touches. We have under cabinet lights that are in here. What else can I show you down here? We have a nice custom detail with the transition from the hallway down to the main room here. This nice arched area. This was a custom detail. This is an optional fourth bedroom in this house. We converted this front room to a legal bedroom by putting in proper egress windows, and that's all permitted. So this is now a 4-bedroom house. We captured an extra bedroom, although it can still be used as a front foyer, living room, home office, that type of thing. If you come down here, you can see we brought the stack stone all around the sides of the fireplace that are here. We come in here, get rid of the old ugly doors that were in the hallway, and they match the kitchen cabinets, all raised panel doors throughout the house. Again, same baseboard, all new trim, brand new bathroom. This is what we talk about a lot. This is cultured granite, okay? So this is all one piece here, and you can see we have a white offsetting bowl, but it's not a separate bowl, which is really nice. So you don't have the ugly crud line, mold, mildew that is typical with undermount or top mount sinks. And in this case, it's matching the surround in the tub area here. So I want to show you a couple of things. The cultured granite is very easy to maintain. You don't have all the issues with grout lines. Tile is beautiful if you like it, but a lot of people are getting tired having to maintain it, and over the years, it doesn't end up looking as nice as it started out with. This, you keep it this way, it'll always look new. Built-in soap niches that are over here, and we brought the finish all the way up to the ceiling. So this makes the bathroom feel bigger, and you don't have a painted area that can get mold and kind of get discolored over time. So we have a recessed mirror in here. We got beautiful tile down on the floor, shaker cabinets. Don't know what else to tell you in there. If we come down in here, there's a nice hidden feature. We have all brand new mirrored doors. Back in here, we have a nice ensuite bathroom. So this is a bathroom off the bedroom in the back, really cool. It's got a built-in bench we put into it. Same concept of the cultured granite, except it's a different color. It's on brown tone flavors in here. And you can see how we bring this out and we trim it out past the shower door. These are beautiful custom shower doors. Now we put in a nice touch with some glass shelves and a mirror back here. And again, we have the shaker cabinets, the cultured granite, and the integrated sink that's in here. And we have a nice toilet that is a little higher than usual. People are wanting to have toilets that are not down so low that you have to kill yourself to sit down and get up on. So that's a quick view of what's here. If you saw our earlier videos, you'll know how much time, effort, and work has gone in. This is a very old house, and everything was outdated. I don't know, it's about 30 years old, and brand new front door. You can see this here, and let you take a look at that. And we have brand new landscaping out front. And this particular house is going up for sale. And I'll give you a quick tour. We transitioned to carpet going up the stairs for a bunch of reasons. It's a lot easier and safer to walk on stairs with carpet than it is with hardwood. And a lot of people like carpet in their bedroom area. So this is the master bedroom suite. Huge room up here. All sorts of custom lights. By the way, I don't know if you saw the sconces that are on the wall here, down there. These are all on dimmers. And again, we have about 59 recessed lights. I've got them all on full bright right now. And you can see sconces in the master bedroom here. Let's take a look at the baby here. This is the beautiful master bedroom bath. Gorgeous, gorgeous custom bathroom, all beautiful tile. This is all custom work, needless to say. This is 3/8 inch thick glass. We have a rain shower head. We have body sprays that are over there. All the controls are there. We've got a built-in wand over here. We have taken the whole concept of the surround and brought it all the way down into the toilet area and the return over here. And we have kind of the same motif with the gray cabinets and quartz countertops up top. And you can see the nice vanity lights, and we opted to put in a full-length mirror across the top of this, and a built-in bench. And if we come in here, you'll see another nice touch. Let's see if I can find the light switch, but in here we've got all cedar cabinets or closets. In all of the closets throughout the house, there's cedar. So you're taking a look at another beautiful project by Golden Gate Enterprises. This was a whole house remodel, inside and outside. Plans, permits, engineering, and all the design. We did this. Whether you've got your own ideas and design or you need some help, we can help you through the whole process here. So give us a call. This is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. Our website is bayareacontractor.com. And whether you're looking for a bathroom, a kitchen, or a whole house remodel or an addition, we also do decks and structural repairs and dry rot, but you're seeing one of our whole house remodels. By the way, we also redid the whole railing and baluster system that was here. So very, very, very beautiful house, and you'll see more pictures online, and we do quite a few of these around the area here. Thanks, Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. Check it out.